Hey guys, we are here at Cades Cove in Gatlinburg, Tennessee, and we just got onto Cades Cove Loop. It is so beautiful out here. Just thought we'd share a little bit of the beauty with you. Look at these mountains. We haven't seen any wildlife yet, but we're looking.
That was at Sugarlands last night.
Yep. Oh.
Anybody know Beacons? Yeah, people. This is what you need to do. You don't draw the big ones out after you.
It's our first bear sighting at Cades Cove. Yay!
Oh, you leave me alone.
I wonder where its mama's at.
Rebecca Bear probably. He's gonna come right up on us, isn't he?
Yep.
It's coming right up to the road.
Hey, baby.
Between the bear and you?
Oh,
Yeah.
where'd he go?
There he goes.
Watch your arm. I'm sorry. Hey everybody! So that was our trip to Gatlinburg and Cades Cove in Tennessee, and we had a wonderful time. So you saw the bear, and the bear wasn't all that big, but he was still a bear nonetheless. And he came right up to our vehicle, and I guess somebody scared him, and he ran off to the other side of the road into the other field. But, you know, he was cute, so it was awesome. We had a wonderful trip. If you ever go to Gatlinburg, you've got to go to Sugarlands. You've got to go there. Sugarlands Moonshine Distillery, you have to ask to go to Josh the Corn Star's table. Yes, Josh the Corn Star. He's awesome. He will hook you up with the best moonshine tasting you have ever had in your life. And you'll feel a lot better going out than you did coming in. So, alright guys, have a... what? Did I say something wrong?
You said came in.
I said came in. You'll feel a lot better going out than you did when you came in to the Moonshine Distillery. Is that better?
Woohoo. Barricade.
Okay. I love you guys. Many blessings. Go to Gatlinburg, Tennessee and Cades Cove. Okay. Bye.